Hey everyone, if you're getting a permission denied error in AnyDesk, can't control the remote device, or access keeps getting blocked, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help restore access. First, make sure the person on the remote device has accepted your connection request. Without approval, AnyDesk may deny access. Next, verify that keyboard, mouse, and file transfer permissions are enabled. Yeah, disabled permissions can prevent remote control. If you're connecting without someone present, make sure unattended access is configured correctly. I mean, missing passwords or settings can trigger permission errors. Try launching AnyDesk with administrator privileges. So, elevated permissions can solve access-related issues. Review AnyDesk security settings on the remote device. Access restrictions may have been configured accidentally. Some antivirus programs or firewalls may block remote permissions. Yeah, temporarily disabling them can help identify the issue. Make sure you're using the correct AnyDesk account and credentials. Account restrictions can sometimes cause permission problems. Make sure both devices are running the latest version of AnyDesk. Updates often include fixes for permission and compatibility issues. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely. So a fresh installation can repair corrupted settings. If nothing works, contact AnyDesk support for additional assistance. They may be able to identify account-related or security issues. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk permission denied problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.